Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the air stool. The air stool does not come with an air pump. You will need to purchase either one of our electric air pumps or hand pumps. So you want to make sure you have that on hand before you set up the air stool. So first thing I'm going to do is unzip the bottom of the graphic. Then you're going to slide the stool, the inflatable part of the stool, into the graphic, and you want to make sure that the air nozzle is facing this cutout on the bottom of the graphic. So I'm just going to insert it into my graphic. Once I have the stool in my graphic, I'm going to open the air valve, and I'm going to inflate to about 25 to 50%, and then we're going to adjust the graphic. So I'm going to insert my air pump onto the valve and turn it on. Once I have it inflated about 50%, I'm just going to close the valve, and I'm going to adjust my graphic. Once I have my graphic adjusted, I'm going to open the air valve and inflate to about 85 to 90%, and then we're going to put on the base. So I'm going to reattach my air pump and inflate. Once I have it inflated to about 90%, I'm just going to push in the air valve, and I'm going to readjust my graphic just to make sure it's centered. And then I'm going to lay on my base. So you're just going to lay on the base and line it up with the air valve, and then flip over the bottom of the graphic, and you're just going to zip shut. Once I have my base attached, I'm just going to reopen the air valve and completely fill up the air stool. Now you want to make sure you do not overinflate. So I'm going to open the air valve and then fill up my stool. Once I have it full, I'm just going to set my air pump off to the side. You're going to close the valve and push it in. And it's just that easy to set up your inflatable stool.